welcome back to the channel, guys. It's about 6 a.m. I've got the Ute out. I've rigged up a microphone to the exhaust. I've done a review on this. If you haven't seen it, guys, I'll leave a link for it in the description. If you've watched that, you'll know my Ute is bloody loud. It's good fun. So I thought I'd rig up the microphone, take it for a blast through the CBD, go through the tunnel, and just, yeah, have a bit of fun with the Ute. I've been wanting to make some more short videos like this, so if you guys enjoy this content, please let me know in the comment section. And yeah, let's get into it. All right, everyone. So let's get into it. Yeah, this Ute is straight pipe from my knowledge. I purchased this Ute like probably 6 months ago now, and this thing just sounds crazy ever since I bought it. Yeah, so you gotta put your left foot down if you see any coppers, but I reckon we'll be right today, and just have a bit of fun with it. Oh, that feeling hasn't gotten old, I'll tell you guys that right now. I'm a huge fan of the XR6 Turbo. Like, the BA is probably my favorite engine Australia's ever made, but sound-wise, you just cannot beat a naturally aspirated V8. They're just so good. Oof. On the freeway now. Oh, it picks up so well. It really does. All right, so just entering the tunnel here. Go from second here. Oh. Got a little bit of an opening there. Listen to that. Oh, I love it. I love this Ute. I really do. I really am in love with this thing. We're getting into the CBD here. Oh, they're calm down the police here. They're having their morning smoke-out meeting, it looks like. Put the clutch in around them. Now I'm not speeding, guys. Don't call me a hoon. I'm just going 0 to 50 really quickly. Hey, there's nothing illegal about that. Oh shit. Oh shit. I do need to get this into the shop. I want to start doing some mods to it. Brakes, for whatever reason, have just started to become really squeaky and annoying. I really need to get that fixed. And I want to install a rip shift in here. And I'd really like to get some wheels on it and just lower the back just slightly. I think that would set this car off. You know, as for engine wise, you know, to me this thing is plenty fast enough. Like, you know, this thing goes. But yeah, hopefully guys, in the near future, if I get some money in my bank account, you'll start to see some mods on this thing, and yeah, hopefully I'll start taking it out to some events and trying to expand the channel a bit more. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys would do to this Ute if you were gonna modify it. Just be nice to, you know, get some more feedback of what potentially I should do. So leave that in the comments, guys. That would be nice. Thank you. Oh, the looks and the stares, it's just funny. The people that just look at you with a blank stare, you know? You just go, yeah, what, mate? Let this lady cross. And you people say I'm inconsiderate. Ha! Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Man. Everyone's just like sitting having a coffee, and I'm just whacking that accelerator. Oh, it's funny. It is funny. Oh yeah, of course the Jaguar tries to come behind me. He knows I'm going for it. Oh, this is actually quite fun. I've probably got to capture their reactions a little bit better, because I'm not sure you guys are going to be able to see it. The GoPro is looking forward, but I'm not sure if you'll be able to see much. But I'm looking at these people's faces, and they are in shock. Oh, they're running across the street. I'm not gonna do a burnout or anything, but let's just give her get a juice under this bridge. Oh shit! That was pretty pathetic, but fuck, she was screaming. Yeah, as you guys can tell, I do gotta work on my my drift game, but yeah, I didn't really mean to drift. Yeah, so you gotta be careful in this thing. When you punch it in first, she just lights up so easily. All right, we're just merging onto the freeway here one last time. Oh, and like, you know, these Utes actually handle pretty well. I was surprised. It's a big car, and then you just get on the gas, man. Oh yes, oh yes, I love it. Everybody in Australia should own a Ute like this at least once in their life. It's un-Australian not to. I swear to God, I'm not even Australian, and I love everything about this Ute. I love all of these Aussie cars. They're just amazing, and yeah, you guys were just so lucky to have all these cars growing up. They're primo. So I hope you guys are subscribing. I'm trying to track down as many Australian cars as I can. So yeah, I hope you guys have been enjoying the channel so far. Plenty more to come. Let's just see here. Yeah, I think here. Goodness. I'm so happy Perth got this tunnel. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish the video off here today. That was so much fun. The look on the people's faces was absolutely priceless, and oh, that was just the best. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If so, please let me know in the comments below if you want to see more short videos like this. I really want to do some more. Huge thanks to Royal Car Scenes here in Perth, WA. They do a lot for the car community here, and I love going to their shows and events. So some videos will be up soon about their events and that. Leave a link for them in the description below. Check them out, they're pretty cool. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you're new here, and we'll see you on that next video.